Gator Pit Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. We are testing this hopper on our Meat Slinger 36 before it gets delivered tomorrow. You can see the hot rod's working. The auger is turning. It's the stainless steel upgraded fire pots that we use from Pellet Pro, Smoke Daddy. It does have a dump here for those long runs. You can dump it, and then after you're actually through cooking, you can come back and vacuum up, clean out your spent ash. This is the Meat Slinger 36 hybrid with the offset firebox. That's a 1/4 inch thick square firebox. You can use this as a stick burner, and it's also a pellet cooker. And again, we do use the Pellet Pros. PID's working, PID controller. Stainless steel upgraded on the hopper as well. Beautiful pit. Again, we're getting this thing ready to be delivered to Trailer King manufacturer here in Houston to be installed in our customer's concession trailer that they actually have built for our customer. As y'all know, Gator Pit, we don't do concession style trailers. We do design the cookers to go into them, and we do other types of trailers, but not the fully enclosed concession style trailers like that. Trailer King does do that, and obviously they're installing our cookers in those Trailer King concession trucks or trailers. There's the meat racks. Awesome. Gator Pit Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Rich Robin out here. I'm at the Trailer King Builders in Houston, Texas. Looking at their trailers here that they're building. Awesome trailers, guys. I got firsthand look at them in person, hands-on. These are great looking trailers. A lot of custom features in here. And lo and behold, look at that Meat Slinger. We got a Meat Slinger 36 hybrid. It's got your pellet hopper on the left side, offset stick burner or firebox on the right side. This one has 5 sliding meat racks inside. It's got the stainless steel upgrades on your hopper, being the lid, and the fire pot that is center mounted in here. So this thing's gonna run a pretty even temperature left and right. And if you see my videos of me cooking on this exact pit at my house, it runs even temperatures top and bottom. You can go look at my other videos in my Gator Pit of Texas YouTube channel. So there's your Meat Slinger hybrid inside a Trailer King custom concession trailer. This thing's beautiful, guys. Look at this. Look at all that commercial equipment in there. These people are going to be able to do any and everything that they want to cook. 3 basket fryers, 36 inch stainless steel griddle. Looks like a 4 burner stove, refrigerators, freezers, sinks, hand wash sink, fire suppression system, serving window, prep tables, condiment fridge, shelving. Beautiful, guys. These are beautiful, beautiful trailers, man. All professionally done, obviously, by Trailer King here in Houston, Texas. And I have no affiliation with them other than our customers. We have the same customers. I've got customers that buy their trailers here, and those customers order my Gator Pits to be put in them. And it's not always just the Meat Slinger, but the Meat Slinger hybrid is the most popular one going in the back of these Trailer King trailers. Trailer King's done several installs for our customers that have purchased their trailers and ordered the Gator Pits to go in the back of them. So that's all pretty cool, guys. Kind of a nice little match that we've got going on here with Trailer King and Gator Pit. But you know, here's a Meat Slinger here that's going to hold upwards of 30 briskets in there. Just in this pit right here will hold upwards of 30 brisket, 25 to 30. And you can cook with it offset. You can cook with a pellet. If you lose power, unfortunately, if you were to lose power in your trailer for whatever that reason, you can always still keep cooking your meat, not losing your meat, and continue that catering job, because you can always put wood, charcoal, or lump in your firebox and continue cooking your meat even though you've lost power over here for whatever that reason is. So that's a good thing to have, that backup offset firebox on this Meat Slinger hybrid, and we do it in a horizontal as well. But I want to get out here and show the Trailer King trailers. Look how professional that is on the install going through the roof, guys. That is a quality work right there. Take it from Ritch. I know what I'm doing. Been doing this for 30 years, man. I know quality when I see it, and I'm looking at it right here in this trailer. Get you a back view here. There you go. It's the back barbecue porch. Looks like it's about 8 feet. Here, an 8-foot barbecue porch, which is ideal for these meat slingers, for these doors to open up and giving you access to be able to slide these meat racks out. As y'all know from other videos, there's meat racks that slide out this way. So having an 8-foot porch on the back of these Trailer King trailers is ideal to do. And then you have these flip up windows. They're screened also, so that's all meeting your health department regulations with Harris County, City of Houston. Step outside here, show y'all what they got. What's up, Carlos? How you doing? Beautiful trailers. Again, I'm Ritch Robin, Gator Pit, Texas, Custom Barbecue Pits. See ya.